PolyChop simulations, new updates for the Gazelle. Just want to demonstrate the behavior when using the minigun. In order to use the minigun with the joystick, I would enable these top two options: minigun aim axis and decouple minigun. With this, I'm able to use the Gazelle minigun variant with the joystick. Okay, so here we have the Gazelle minigun. I mapped with those two options in the special settings of the Gazelle SA342. I was able to map the minigun to map the joystick to the minigun. Finally, it's working, but the only thing is it has a very small traverse range, and you know, I hate to say it seems like I only can control about I'm loving the sound effects for this Gazelle minigun. Hats off to the developers, PolyChop, you guys are awesome. But I'm making this video because it would be perfect if there was a more slew range. Because right now it looks like I only get about 7 degrees to the left, 7 degrees. It's like somewhere about 15 or 20 degrees. Okay, so this is the Huey UH1 minigun, demonstrating the left and right slew range for the minigun as it is mapped to a joystick. So it looks like it's about 45 degrees. You know, it's pretty decent. It would be nice if it could go a little further. You know, but that's up to Eagle Dynamics. It's decent, playable, works great. But again, if it was a little more slew range, it'll be nice. But it's functional. Okay, so now we have the Mi24P. I want to demonstrate the slew range for the cord machine gun as it is mapped to a joystick. So it has very wide. It looks like it's about. It kind of looks like about 80 degrees. So you get wide, you know, traverse. Pretty nice, you know, as always. Maybe 25, but it's very small compared to the Huey UH1 minigun and the Mi28P cord. So please, PolyChop, I hope that in the future update that the range of the slew range of the minigun can be increased, because it's already limited going left and right, but it's also limited going up and down. Please fix in the future. Thank you.